So let me open the fire on this one. So here's the thing. There's a lot of businesses out there with leaders who really do put in the time and energy to train their most invested, top performers and achievers in their programs. However, what about the little guy? What about the guys that are like really further down in the downline and they have to wait to go all in to be able to, invest heavily like those guys who are getting all the attention? Well, we saw this as a big hole in the industry, and Rich and I, we mastermind about this. We do a lot of meetings about this all the time, and we figured with what's happening right now with Power Lead System and what we're being able to do as top earners in it is we're going to take it a step level further, and we're going to open up a special Telegram group as an added bonus. When our team members bring in their team members and they start sponsoring immediately down to infinity, they are going to be able to bring in their members to Telegram to get additional support from Ace and Rich. That's powerful. That's powerful.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Okay? And you're talking about like just that alone? No. Here's the beauty part. If you're watching this live replay, whatever you want to watch it could be a week from now or 2 weeks from now, it could be just today. Listen, I'm going to tell you something. If you are intrigued by what we're saying, if you take the challenge, the Freedom Challenge, and you go to our website, you play with David AI, you give it all you got. You know what? Test it out. See if it convinces you, if it really answers your questions, if it is smarter than, the other AI that's out there known as Sparky. Okay? Go find out for yourself. And then what I dare you to do, I challenge you, go and register for the 7-day trial, because watch the process unfold right before you. And if you like what you see and you decide, you know what, I'm going all in. And you know what's going to happen? When you go all in, okay, if you're personally sponsored by us, you go all in as a bonus, we're going to set you up. We're going to set you up for success. We're going to set you up to get your first sale. That's what we're not kidding about that. It's already happening right now. And on top of that, when you are on our team and you bring in your first person or second person or third person, it doesn't matter. Guess what we're going to do? When they invest and go all in with you, tell them they're going to get Ace and Rich to set up their stuff for them. Yep. Absolutely free of charge.
Oh, yeah.
That right there is how much, like a $3,000 bonus right there?
That's what we do.
That's what we do, okay? Yeah. That's our time. That's what we do. We're going to set up your team members for success and help them get their first sales too. That's incredible. Along with that, the Telegram group access. You cannot break that. I'm telling you, that is awesome.
No, we're going to build a 6-figure marketing ecosystem for you.
Doing it for you guys.
That's what we're going to do.
That's it. That's how we move, man. It's like the ripple effect. Drop that fire in there, let it turn into the ring of fire. Boom, just like that.
Yeah. That's how it starts.
So that's why we're excited about sharing that with you.
Well, we're excited because we love to see people who never made a sale before make sales, right?
Yes.
And we're seeing it happen very frequently now. And this is important because this is how you build momentum. But again, let's go back to what we were talking about earlier. You have to have the right offer.
You do.
You definitely have to have the right traffic.
Yes.
And you definitely have to have the right kind of follow-up.
And
when I talk about the follow-up, we're not talking about just a regular email follow-up here, guys. We're talking about like a multi-high-touch approach.
Yeah.
It's a hybrid.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something. It's changing the game. It's changing the industry as we know it.